Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. As you can see by the title of this video, we are doing a wonderful announcement for the gorgeous Dahlia over at ManDalee Cards and More. She has come out with a new fresh junk journaling kit called Enchanted Dreams digital journaling kit that is based off of Beauty and the Beast. It's so cute. It's themed so beautifully. Alright, so the way that you can go about getting this kit is up on her Ko-Fi. Now listen closely, because the first 25 people to click on the link and to sign up with their name and their email to register will receive the kit for free. Yeah, you heard that right. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what's included in this gorgeous kit. So you get a total of 53 pages. I know, isn't that's so awesome. Okay, so then you get 11 journaling pages. You get 14 background pages, 7 of which are going to be edged with like this beautiful vintage look to it, and then you're going to get another 7 with that. The other 7 are going to just be without all the little edges and stuff. Alright, so the next after that is you get 1 line journaling page, which I love how she bordered it because it includes this super cute like rose edge all over the page, and it's so precious. And then you get 28 pages of ephemera. That's right, we're talking fussy cuts, project cards, envelopes, like it's cuteness overload. It's super precious. But again, you guys, so you don't miss out, be sure to check out her Ko-Fi. And again, the first 25 people to sign up with the link will receive it for free. Also, if you are looking for crafty inspiration for the journals, just in case if you are coming up with a project, be sure to go over to Tammy, Van and Erp Art, as well as DeeDee Studio 72 for some crafty inspiration. They will be uploading project shares as well as a final journaling flip through of what we've created, as well as up on my channel. So stay tuned to see what we come up with and how we go about using Dahlia's gorgeous kit. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for me. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care. Be sure and show her your guys' support. Let her know that I sent you. Again, you can find this up on her Ko-Fi. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. Alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for me. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Y'all please take care, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.